Want to add the date and time to your home screen? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, press and hold on any empty area of your home screen. Then, tap the brush icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Widgets. You'll now see a list of widgets from different apps. Scroll down until you find the clock widget, then tap on it. Browse through the available clock styles and choose the one you like best. If you also want the current date on your home screen, go back and select the calendar widget. Now, drag both widgets to your preferred location on the home screen. You can also resize them to fit your layout and make everything look just the way you want. That's it! Your home screen will now display the date and time for quick access. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.